We talked a little bit about the upcoming Tesla truck, and the thing is, we did it dirty. We kind of gave it a bad. We picked the funny thumbnail from somebody's render. People don't really know what it's gonna look like, to be clear. So why not pick the funny thumbnail? But Elon is not happy with the current renders that are out there. On Twitter, someone tweeted Elon Musk. They said, "What do you think of the Tesla pickup drawings that are going around? Some are really bad." Which Earl of Frunk Puppy sent that.
Ugh.
So at 28 Delay Slater. And Elon, he's on Twitter. So he responds and he says, "Cybertruck doesn't look like anything I've seen bouncing around the internet. It's closer to an armored personnel carrier from the future." What a response. Oh, man. And of course, Elon knows all you got to do is tweet if you're him, and it'll become a story on InsideEVs.com, and people will get the gist of it. So now we have a new round of potential renders. My favorite is on InsideEVs.com. It's a futuristic looking truck carrier type of thing with a bed and a front bull bar and a single wiper and a huge piece of glass. So I mean, I feel pretty confident that it's going to look cool at this point, at least different. And to be honest, I'm kind of glad. Not that one, Will. Not that one.
Not this one.
No, go to the main page. Go to the main Inside EV page. Go to their homepage. It's probably there. It's probably a new story. Wait, what? They're back. That's 6 hours ago. They're back to that render? Bouncing around. It's unbelievable.
It's updated.
I got this render right here. That looks like a real military vehicle. Jack, give me.
Oh, I see.
Do the there. Look at that one. See that? There it is, Will. I think you found it. It's at the top of that page. No, still you don't have it. This to me looks more rugged. It looks more military. And I could see it. I feel like this is the direction a guy like Elon would take using the descriptive words he's using. I can't speak for certain, but I'm just going to go ahead and vouch for this one. That's going to be not that one. Not this one. This one. Nice cuts there, Jack. You're just right on point there. I think it's the first time in the show I've ever turned my laptop around to the display.
Yeah.
And I'm not sure Willie Doo will ever forgive me for that moment. We'll see. He's still scrolling. He's like, where is this?
I have to find
Where is this story?